to go down. Siya nga sa lumboy oh. Sa una kay grabe nakaano dahag bunga kay kaya siya nakaupaw siya no. Yapdusan siguro ni. You know guys, last 2024 that this blackberries has a lot of fruit, but now it is almost bald. Naisa sa ilang pine Christmas tree no. Dito bayanan na niyo. Can do picnic here. There's an hollow block, so maybe they will still build more. Yeah, because this has very vacant land here. So hello guys, time to go home now. So by the way, that Virgin Mary there has really a bright lights at night because they're using the solar. They don't have any electricity wires here because they're only using solar. And from my terrace in the house, you can see the bright light at night of that Virgin Mary. It's maybe like being neglected for a while, maybe because the owner was busy. The owner of this land is busy right now. So he didn't really develop this yet because it's still open to the public. Everyone can go there, but maybe sooner someday they will make this as a private resort here, overlooking resort, and we are waiting for that. I think I can go in this way, but it's just too risky, so I'm just gonna use that same way. I want to go here. There's a shortcut going to my house, but I'm scared that maybe there's some snakes or whatever. So I'm just gonna use the road. Hey cow. Cow, you broke my shoes last time. I will use that for my blog. tungdan sa una. Nito. Kadako sa kuan eh. Kadako sa kanino. Labay ko! Jipoy! Oh my god. I'm not really feeling good, guys, because I have a little bit of colds and my throat is painful and I have a headache. That's why I really tried to do this walking. So this is our homeland, guys, our village home. It's very simple, it's very quiet. This is the morning and that's the Fatima there. See? And sayang ni balay ng nani. Oh, I remember everything here during my younger days. I remember everything in this house because I used to come here before and do the sleepover with Ate Ai. Sayang. Psst. Jaku! Jaku ada? They're my nephews. The son of my... Exercise ta, Jaku! Exercise ta. Amber Rose! Bless, bless. Bless, dali. Why, exercise, exercise. Sige na panglaba. Hi, Amber Rose. See? Apil po si. Sige na mo, Doy. Can't. Bro, na ako na kuha na ito kanawa. Manay mo nga nangita ko. Darag yung Bex. Gatong to. Ito lamisa. What's house ay off.